You got a phone call.
Oh my god.
Hello?
Really?
Hold on.
Hello? Okay, what happened? Yes, Who's this calling?
Who is that?
A friend?
What friend?
A friend?
What's her name?
So you know one of that. So you were one of them. Then what's so bad about that?
She entering into our time.
I gotta go, okay? I'll talk to you later, okay? I'm not here in the rain, so okay? Bye.
So who was that?
Oh, friend, I just told you.
What's her name?
Friend? That's her name, my friend.
That ain't her damn name.
No! My mom's out here with me. Yup.
Yeah? One ain't never heard nobody. He getting better.
I know. We went,
Oh, your cousin Tyler will be so proud.
I'm better than cousin Tyler. My shaker's getting too damn expensive. Hold on. Hold me down.
Oh, Lord, look at them bird wings.
Yeah, I fly like a birdie. Ooh, hold on. Ah.
Do it going the other way.
What?
Go that way and do it.
Okay. Damn, I hit the tree.
You ain't gonna hit the tree.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Boy, hurry up.
Don't work me.
You too far.
I know.
Okay.
That's fun.
All you need is Deja here.
Yup. I'm all soaking wet.
Oh boy, get your crazy self. Ugh. Little boy nipples.
Yup. My nipples they go like this. They go like that.
Shut up. Ain't
They
nobody
do.
looking
They
at
go
you.
like this.
I'm not looking at that. Is the ducks gone?
Nope.
They still right there?
Yeah, they over there.
Uh,
That we call them. That's the Johnson.
that's the Johnsons over there?
Yup. That's the Johnson with the Lopez's, I think. No, all three of them still over there.
Oh, the Johnsons, the Lopez's, and the Browns. We didn't name the family of geese.
Yup. With the little baby geese.
They probably looking at you like, what in the hell is they doing over there?
We is chilling. That's what I'm doing.
Oh, Lord. I gotta go put the dinner on in a minute. You're gonna get athlete's feet. Feet gonna be looking like monsters. Looking like crow feet. Come and say your little, say a little something for the camera. I say, come say a little something for the camera.
Hi, I'm Michael there. That's all I'm saying.
And
And what?
you glad the school season over with?
I guess. Yeah, kind of. I miss my little sister, Nene and Deja. Yo,
That's two sisters.
I miss both of them.
I tried to talk to Nene the other day. She talking about no, she was busy.
Bet you she'll talk to me.
She didn't talk to you.
She'll talk to me. She love me. I miss my friends. I really want to go home next summer. Told Andy to come pick me up when he get a car. Come drive me out here. Come drive out
Whatever.
here.
I ain't finna let you go nowhere with no teenagers.
So,
Hundreds of miles away.
she said I can come stay with her. As long as I don't
She gonna have you babysitting.
No, she ain't.
Yes,
I'm
she
be
is.
gone half the time. I'm be chilling with my friends.
Mm-hmm.
Yup. I'm be out there. I'm gonna be gone with this.
And she gonna be like, take your sister with you.
I'll be like, what's this?
You gonna be like, take them both with you.
But what one? What you talking about?
Uh-huh.
I'm like, nah. I came out here to visit friends and you guys.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I won't be drinking anymore.
Uh-huh.
What?
Say, well, all right, that's the end.
Nope. I miss my friend Mercedes, Cindy, Priscilla, my sisters, Deja, Nene. Let's see. I miss my boy Antonio, Alejandro, Alex, David. Let's see. My girlfriend. Let's see.
Whatever. You don't like that girl.
Swat, whatever. Just swat.
Don't swat me, Mom.
Swat. Let's see.
You gonna have a new one next week.
Swat. She made me forget.
Auntie Nikki.
Oh, I miss Auntie Nikki, Jessie. Jessie still owe me $200.
Good luck with that.
Jada, miss her. Big head.
Look into the camera.
Oh, I don't like looking into the camera. I don't even like listening to my own voice in the camera.
Oh, whatever.
And let's see, I miss my friend Izzy, Atsuri, Karina, there's a bunch of people.
Just everybody.
Yeah, I just miss everybody.
Okay.
Bye.
We'll see you later.